So with this drawing, I think I want to bring in some wheat stalks. So I've just looked up wheat outline, something really simple. If we go into images, this one's pretty nice. Just wanted something kind of simple, nothing too complicated. I think I am kind of liking those ones that are at the top. This is kind of a nice looking one too. Might be a little too detailed though. Don't want to go too detailed because then when we go to paint these, it's going to be really time consuming. So we need to kind of think about that when we're constructing these too. That is a little bit blurry. Well, I think that's the one I want, so we'll try it. We'll see if it works. I've been messing around with the color scheme for a while now here. So if I click and drag this, that's pretty small. It might not work very well. So I could get a backup one just in case that one doesn't work out. I'm not really seeing any that I really like very much. These ones are all right. This could be cool. That's pretty pixelated looking too. But that might just be... Oh, that one looks nice. Okay, so if we go into... I don't think we even need to go into Photoshop with these because they're so black and white already that we don't need to do that. I think we can just go straight into Illustrator. Go off to the side here and do a file, place, from the desktop. So this is the one I liked the most, but we'll see if I'll zoom in on it. It's pretty pixelated, so I'm guessing object, image trace, make and expand. Actually, that's not too bad. If we do a object or like a Shift Command G, should be able to. Yeah, that's actually not bad. So if we do a Command G after we select everything by dragging over it, Command G, we can kind of use our spacebar to get our hand tool, and we can kind of toggle over here. So I wasn't totally sure where I was going to put this. And since we need to make another layer for our wheat, I guess. Maybe we'll put it on top for now, because okay, so I mean that could go on top of the Montana maybe. And maybe I should make the outline on the Montana black. I don't know. I added all these strokes, but now I'm wondering, man, maybe I didn't need to put all these white outlines on every shape. I'm not crazy about how this text has turned out either. And maybe I would just not even have any text there. Oops. So I ended up having to pause the video there, but if I just deleted that text because I don't like it. I'm going to move this down. Maybe I can size it up a little bit too. We could potentially put this up here. And just kind of fill that in up there with that. Something like that. And so this, I wonder if this shouldn't be a little bit bigger. I mean, we'd have to, because like these are almost seem too small to put anything in, but maybe not. I could be wrong. But maybe if I could make this large enough. I'm gonna have to maybe like try and line everything up again how I did before. If I can grab everything. So yeah, that looks pretty good. And then I'll just select these 3 circles here and line them up this way too so that they're perfectly aligned. Yeah, it's still not where it should be. That's looking pretty good. So I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to like try and find a color scheme. I did go online and I looked up Western color scheme. There was this one over here that I thought was not bad. This has turned out to be a lot harder, the whole color scheme thing, than I thought it was going to be. Here's one here. That's actually pretty nice. So I mean, I can just borrow from these potentially. I guess I'll probably do that on my own time. I won't put you guys through the torture of watching me go through trying to find a decent color scheme for this piece. There's this as well. I don't know. That looks more like autumn or something to me. There's something there. I've never been very good with color schemes, but I guess there's not much here. I mean, we could go to like color. Maybe let's just do color scheme. I've never used this, but I guess we could try. I don't like the way this one looks. Let's see. Let's see. Coolers or color. I don't know. Coolers. I think I maybe tried this one earlier. But anyway, that might be a good idea to kind of go through and try to find different. Oh, so you can. Maybe you can just explore them that are already made. Oh, there we go. So this one's kind of cool. So you can save these. I wonder how you save them. Oh, I don't want to do that. But I could do like a screenshot maybe. Oops, what did I just do? Oh boy. Got too many things open here. So Command-Shift-4, and you should be able to take screenshots. Yeah, so you can just go through here and see if there's anything you like. I kind of like this one. So I'll take another one of that. Hopefully that captured him okay. There's one. There's one. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Command-Shift-4. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, this is one thing you could try with your color schemes to try and find a good one. But anyway, once you kind of get your images in here and you get everything colors the way you want them, you would do a file save as. Or, you know, actually you may not have to do that, but because we already did it, but just make sure you do a file save. And make sure that it's saved, the one that you have in your project is an AI file. And your images are just for you, basically, like for your own. So my cactus, and I could put my Montana shape in there as well. like, so I should probably put my Montana in there and just organize all my files for this document. Keep my original wheat thing that I pulled offline, put that in the images folder. But really what you need to put into Brightspace is not, let's see, where did I put that? I've got so many freaking things open. Sorry guys. Anyway, in Brightspace, you want to, well, I don't know where I was. I've got too many things open here. Oh. Anyway, in Brightspace, you would upload your AI file, and just make sure you read over the project worksheet. Make sure you're doing everything on time, because I'm having deadlines come up a little bit more often for this. But this one, I think maybe will be a little bit more straightforward than the last project. So hopefully you guys have fun with it. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye.